Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got the top 3 free watch faces in the Gear Manager store that you don't want to miss out on. You do want to download these. These are totally off the chart. So let's check out number 1. Number 1 is named Nimesis by Black Turtle. Very nice looking watch face. Even in always on mode, you're going to get the same look. For the Geras 3, it's going to be dimmed down. It's still going to have a nice look. For the Geras 2, it's going to be slightly different, but yet it's still going to look good. Now, when the watch face is on, I like the unique design of this watch face, especially the font of the numbers that's going around the bezel of the watch. It is an analog watch face, which means you do still get best of both worlds. You get your digital time down at the bottom. You also get information on your step status as well as your battery info. I'm really liking the look and the design of this watch face. It's not interactive, but considering that it's free, it is definitely worth its weight in gold. Now, if you like this one, I'm pretty much almost positive you're gonna like number 2. Okay, you all, watch face number 2. Now this one is super boss. This one is called Geras, right? It's by Black Turtle as well. I'm liking the look, I'm liking the design. I'm definitely liking the creativity that the developer brought to the table with this watch face. We got to check this one out, right? Now in always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look, and I'm glad of that for the Geras 3. But for the Geras 2, it is going to be slightly different, but it looks just as good. But I want to talk about the watch face when it's on. Very unique look, very different. This watch face truly stands out. Now, if you look at the top, it has PM in front of the digital time. You get the best of both worlds. But if you look at the analog hands, they look very nice. So I'm liking what this developer brought to the table with this one. In your dials, of course, you're going to get your battery info. You're going to get your step status goal info. Also, if you look in the center, I'm liking the mesh theme that's going on in the background of this watch face. But come down. I'm quite sure you've been watching. Now, this is supposed to be a 24-hour watch face, but it's giving me 24-hour time. I don't know why, right? But it's not a deal breaker. But if you continue to watch, if you haven't already, this will change automatically. There's nothing that you tap on. It's going to take you to your steps. It's going to give you your calories burned info. And then if you look in the background, it's going to have a saying, like right now, it's going to say steps. It's going to say good day. It's going to say calories. I'm telling you, the developer definitely got down on this watch face. All right, you all. We gotta check out watch face number 3, but hit me in the comment section below and tell me your thoughts on watch face number 3. Now number 3 just kind of ties everything together. This is a super casual watch face, definitely off the charts as well. Now I can see me dressing up or dressing down in this watch face depending on the color I choose, but this watch face is definitely boss. Now in always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look, same design, but when it's on, I'm telling you, this watch face definitely stands out. Again, it is an analog watch face. So if you look at it right now, it's in always on mode. Let me get it going. And right here's your hour. There go your second hand going around. Very nice. And you get your traditional date and day. So I thought this was definitely an awesome look. Has a touch of elegance to it as well. I'm loving it. Also, now remember, this is free for the taking, and it offers you this. An opportunity to customize the color. Very nice, right? You can cycle through the many colors that this watch face has to offer. We're going to go through all of them so you can get an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. Now, make sure you share this with other people. We can use the views, but most people don't know that these are free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this lineup for the top 3 watch faces that are free in the Gear Manager store. And if you liked the video, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.